It's about 8:15 and I'm getting ready for our hike. We're going to Devil's Lake, Wisconsin. But yeah, it should be super fun. I'm so excited. I've never been there before, so we'll see how this hike is. We just went pee and now we're trying to find a map because we don't know where we're going, and this guy said to go on Balanced Trail, but the map we looked at, that wasn't an option, right? It wasn't even on there. So now we're kind of confused. It turns out we did walk in a circle and then we ran into the guy who gave us the directions in the first place, and he gave us other directions and he said that there's a map up here, so we're really hoping there is one. Guy was just chugging a bag of wine in the lake. I bet he's having the most wonderful day of his life. We made it to a lookout point. We're like on the rocks with the water. It was so nice. We just laid on the rocks for like 30 minutes and tanned. Almost back at the car. I'm so sweaty.
Right there.
Sweaty, but feeling like good, you know?
It was good.
Like we accomplished something, yeah.
Would you guys come back?
I would. I definitely would.
I'd come back.
And do another trail?
Rated probably like a 6.9 out of 10.
What's your critiques though?
And we also got lost a lot, so I feel like next time we'll have a better idea of like where to go and what time.
And like next time we should bring a map, because the guy who worked here really sent us in the wrong direction.
Like, I have no idea what he is.
I wish we got his name. Let's make him a nickname for him. What should we call him? I also could go for some cheese curds right now. We passed a Culver's on the way here, so anything is possible. We're almost past the Jeep. There she is. Now, we're going home. Where are we making a stop?
Unidine, best coffee in Milwaukee.
At the public market. I'm excited. One of our friends is working there right now, so we're gonna say hi to her. She works at the sandwich shop, if anyone knows what that is. We're gonna get some gas, get to the public market. What time is it?
2.
Wow, that went by so quick.
Oh,
that was so fun though. Guys, this day is so nice. Happy Saturday. I hope everyone's enjoying their Saturday as much as we are. It's so good, I love it.
Which one did you guys get?
I got an iced almond milk latte with hazelnut syrup. Lock them up, baby. Here, give me your keys, I'll open the door. This is a team effort.